Howdy, my name is Emily Schooler, and this is my group's project over animals in research. In my group, there's Isabella Barrow, Hope Gleghorn, Sarah Cawley, Catherine Crimpin, Addison Long, Gloria Lopez, Lainey Moffitt, and Tacey Weaver, and we are group number 15.
Animals in research refers to the practice of using animals in scientific experiments. These animals act as models to replicate certain aspects of an experiment.
Why do people think animals being used in research is unethical, and what is the reality of animals being used for research purposes? Many people view the use of animals in research as unethical due to concerns about their treatment and welfare. They argue that subjecting animals to experiments can cause unnecessary harm and that animals have rights that should be respected. However, the reality is more complex. While there are strict regulations in place aimed at minimizing harm and ensuring humane treatment, the research conducted on animals has led to significant medical advances that benefit both humans and animals. Scientists are continuously working to refine methods and explore alternatives, but animals research remains a critical component in the quest for new experiments and understanding biological processes.
Why is animal research controversial? The use of animals in research is highly controversial due to several ethical concerns and practical limitations. Some argue that animals endure unethical treatment in experiments without consideration for their welfare. Others would say the benefits of animal research don't outweigh the harm inflicted on these animals, or even questioning if animal research correlates directly with humans.
Although the question of is it ethical can vary based on opinion, using animals in research is very beneficial for learning more for medical research. Using animals in research also comes along with many laws and regulations that protect animals against inhumane practices.
Benefits of animal research: improvement of the industry, modeling for drug testing, and advances in medicine. The main benefit to using animals in research is how it propels the science and agricultural industry. Not only does it provide new discoveries to science, but it can also show just how much use we can get from animals. For example, the animals used for experiments have revolutionized the world of drug testing and created a way for scientists to more effectively learn about how a human would react to a new drug. This not only helps the world of medicine, but also further iterates the need for agriculture in our society. Along with this concept, advances in medicine are heavily relied on by animal testing. Without being able to test on animals, it would be near impossible to create anything new that is safe for humans.
How animal research ties into humans. It is no secret that humans and animals share very common characteristics. This can be seen on a simple or complex scale. For example, you can mention that humans and animals perform the same activities such as breathing, sleeping, and eating, or that they have similar organ systems, emotion patterns, and social behaviors. So not only are their physical attributes the same, but on a biological level, humans and animals are very closely related. This means that using animals in research is necessary to advancing and improving the lives of humans. Because of the compatibility between the two, we are able to use animals to our advantage to make new discoveries, save lives, and overall become a more knowledgeable society.
Conclusion. The topic question we chose was why do people think animals being used in research is unethical, and what is the reality of animals being used for research purposes? As with anything related to agriculture, there's going to be some controversy. There are always people that believe that animals should be completely left alone and they should not be used for human development at all. While there's some truth behind this, it would be impossible to live and thrive without the use of animals, specifically in research. Using animals for scientific research has always been a struggle because of how it is viewed ethically. There are lots of misconceptions that these animals are raised under horrible conditions just to be tortured by instruments. While they are raised for the specific role of being used for experimentation, there are so many laws put in place to protect these animals from inhumane treatment. If performing these experiments was not necessary to the success of human life, or animals were not as similar to humans as they are, then it would be illegal to perform them. But because of all the advantages that this research gives us, it is crucial that we continue these tests. Plus, with the similarities that humans and animals have, it is pertinent that they are the only things capable of giving scientists those same results. Furthermore, despite the view of the general public, using animals in research is completely ethical, and these trials are necessary to promote advancements in human life.